I'm delighted to announce that on the 20th of March 2019, the National Assembly for Wales approved the Public Services Ombudsman Wales Bill. The Ombudsman plays a key role in public life in Wales, allowing members of the public who maybe feel that they've been treated unfairly by the public sector to make a complaint. And they can do that, of course, safe in the knowledge that the Ombudsman will treat that complaint fairly and independently. The Finance Committee felt that we needed a new bill to strengthen the role of the Ombudsman. And for those most vulnerable people in society, and they are the ones who very often depend most on our public services, for them to feel more confident in ensuring that their complaints would be heard properly and responded to fairly.
I'm delighted that the legislation has been passed to enhance the powers of the Ombudsman in Wales. This is something that we've been looking at for a number of years, and in the last Assembly I chaired a committee that carried out an inquiry, and we were pretty convinced that this legislation needed modernising.
I'm so pleased that the National Assembly for Wales have now voted to support a new Ombudsman bill. This isn't about powers for me, but powers for my office to support people, often in vulnerable circumstances, so that we can be more proactive, so we don't simply have to wait for people, perhaps in vulnerable circumstances, to come forward with their complaints, that we can do more with data to analyse and see where there are patterns of poor public service delivery, and to work with public bodies to improve their complaint handling.
On behalf of the Finance Committee, I'd like to thank everyone who's contributed to the many consultations relating to this bill. Your contribution has been very, very valuable in making sure that this legislation passes and that this legislation is going to be as effective as it can be.